Hey guys, I wanted to give you another tip real quick. This one is for your electronics and batteries, because anybody that goes outside when it's cold out knows that their batteries for their electronics die really fast because of the cold. I don't know where or how I got this. I just ended up with it one day, and I've been keeping my little butane can and my butane stove inside this just because it fits perfect. And I tossed a lighter in there with some Gorilla Tape on it too. So it's a little cooler, and I keep my phones, my battery pack, my little Altoids tin that's got my flash drives and my flash drive adapter for my phone in it. I've got cables in it. Not that the cold hurts them, but when they're cold, they get stiff, so this way they stay limber. Keep my tripod in there for no reason at all, just because it's easy storage. It's with the stuff when I'm heading out. Even my rechargeable lights for like my hat. So inside of it, there's a little pocket. There's a little pocket on each side. I don't think you can see it. So the hand warmers that we use for everything else fits right inside that pocket. So I can put the hand warmer and rip it open, get it hot, put it inside that pocket, put my electronics in there, zip this up, put it in my bag, and when I'm not using my electronics while I'm out in the woods, then they're actually staying warm and they're not killing my batteries. So throw one of the 10-hour ones, which are the really small ones. I throw that in there when I'm heading out, and it keeps it warm all day long. Well, then these larger ones that are 18 hours, they're like $2 or $3 a piece at Tractor Supply. I put those in a pocket at night when this one's dying down. Sorry, I got a kitty cat here moving the camera with his tail. That will keep the electronics warm. This stays for 18 hours. Sometimes they go 20, 22 hours. Sometimes they die in 16, but this gets me through the night and through the next day, through pack up and getting home. So just a tip for everybody, because I know everybody that does this, everybody that does any type of recording outside, and especially in the wintertime, they're always in their videos talking about their batteries dying. I cut my trip short last weekend because my batteries were dead, and the one that I'm using, the camera that I'm using right now, which is my phone and the Open Camera app, that one I was out of space. And this one, you get this one any bit cold or warm and it dies. So yeah, get yourself a small cooler, preferably with a pocket. If not, then you can put these inside of a sock or a bandana or a washcloth and put them down in there, but it'll keep heat in there. If you wanted to, you could actually put a lanyard around your neck and hang this from around your neck inside of your jacket, and then this is going to actually generate a little bit of heat to your core while it's inside your jacket. So I guess there's a couple different purposes it could serve by doing that, but mainly it's to help us keep our batteries and electronics from freezing up and dying fast. So I hope this is useful for me. So I wish I would have thought about it a long time ago. I've had this cooler for like 4 or 5 years, and like I said, I don't even know where I got it, but I would imagine any of the grocery stores sell these. So yeah, till the next video, get off the couch, get off the phone, enjoy the outdoors.